Okay. Now we discuss MindTech 5.1e. Okay, determine the following values without using a calculator. As I mentioned from the previous class. So this is the answer. If you want me to show any step work for any question, just let me know. I'll show you. Okay, done. Good morning, Shamni. Oh, that's all. Okay, girl, any question? Before we proceed to new subtopic?
No, teacher.
Okay, so now, sorry, okay. We continue our subtopic. Okay, our learning standard for today's lesson. Perform calculation involving sine, cosine, and tangent. Use example 13. Use a scientific calculator to determine the following values. Correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, I will show you how. Take your calculator. So for example, you want to determine the value of sine 45 degrees 6 minute. Okay, this is the symbol for minute. 45 degrees 6 minute. So how to determine these values? On your calculator, then press button sine 45 degree, press this button, and then 6 minute, press 6, and then this button. So this is actually 45 degree 6 minute. Then press equal. Then the calculator will give you these values, same as your textbook. Since the question asks you to give the answer correct to 4 decimal places, so give the answer to 4 decimal places, which is 0.7083. Also, you can use your calculator to round off this value correct to 4 decimal places. Just press mod 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then choose fig. Fig is for round off to decimal places, so press 1. And then the calculator asks you 0 to 9. It means that how many decimal places you want. So we want 4, so press 4. Then the calculator will give you the answer correct to 4 decimal places. Okay, now we do B, cos 20.7 degree. So press cos button, 20.7, 20.7. Then press this button. Then press equal. So the calculator will give you the answer correct to 4 decimal places, which is 0.9354, same as your textbook. Okay, last one. Tangent 64 degrees, 64 this button, 12 minutes. So 12 minutes, this button again. And then press equal. Then the calculator will give this value, 2.0686. Okay. Okey, ada soalan tak? Boleh cara nak tekan kalkulator?
Boleh, teacher.
Okay, next. This is your homework, my test 5.1G. Okay, good Afifah. So have a look at this example. Use a scientific calculator to calculate the following x values. So we want to use calculator again for this question. So take your calculator. We want to calculate the x values. Given here, sin x equals to 0.8377. So have a look at this step work. X equals to sine transfer to this side, it becomes sine inverse. Sine inverse. This is how you pronounce. Look like sine to the power of -1. But we pronounce it as sine inverse. Then you write 0.8377. Follow the question. Okay, how to calculate this using calculator? So just now my calculator got 4 decimal places, so I need to clear mode first. Okay, so sine inverse, yes, correct, sine inverse, this is sine inverse. So how to use calculator? So press button shift, then press button sine. So this is sine inverse in your calculator. Then you press 0.8377. 0.8377. Then press button equal. So the calculator will give these values. So if you want your answer in degrees, so you can round off this up to 1 decimal place, which is 56.9. This is the answer in degrees. If you want your answer in degree and minute, press this button. Then the calculator will give you 56 degree, 53 minute. But look at this value. If this value greater than 30, then you need to plus 1 to this. So this one greater 52 is greater than 30. So plus 1 to this. So 53 plus 1 is 54. That's why in your textbook, 56 degree, 54 minute. This is what I said just now. If the unit of second is 30, more than 30, then the minute unit will be added by 1. So you look at this number. If this number greater than 30, so please add 1 to this. Okay. So this is how you use your calculator to calculate the value of x. Okay, have a look at this example. So the first step, just write x equals to cos inverse this value. Then if you want cos inverse, then press button shift and then button cos. So this is cos inverse. Then 0.7021. Press button equal. Then this is the answer in degree, 55.4. If you want your answer in degree and minute, press this button. So 55 degree, 24 minute. For tangent, the same way, press button shift and then button tangent, 2.48, 2.4876. Then press button equal. So this is the answer in degree. So if you want degree and minute, press this button. So 68 degrees, 6 minutes. Okay, any question? Any question, girls?
Boleh teacher.
Okay, so this is your homework. Mind test 5.1H. Only 2 homework. Just use calculator only. Okay, that's all for today.